Part two. Real quickly with the body fat thing, it's not the most accurate. The most accurate way would be to chop up your corpse and separate fat from muscle and all that. Honestly, DEXA scan, even hydro scans, the electro scans. That's kind of what the one I do at NutriShop, by the way. So it's electro scan. You step on it, and depending on how much you drink and how much you've eaten and the last time you went to the bathroom, will affect its readings. But still, it's more accurate than weighing yourself every morning or once a week. And I try to go the same time once a week. So every Saturday around 1 or 2. Anyways, as to one pointer, I get asked this quite a bit. So why do I eat still like a bro, even though I've done if it fits in your macros and all these other styles where you can eat a lot more? I'll incorporate a little bit of everything in my diet still. But in the end, it's so much easier to calculate your macros when you're eating a certain amount of veggies, a certain amount of one protein, 4 ounces every meal. And this way you don't have to count as much. And then I can throw in carbs, a meal here or there. So it's easier to track. It's easier to log overall. And meal prep is hard as it is. The dieting part is hard as it is to keep. So why I do it is because it's just easier to follow, easier to repeat, and easier to manipulate. So if something's not working right, hey, so that's why I still do the bro kind of food where I'm eating, 4 ounces a meal. I'm eating around, anywhere from 5 to 7 times a day. Typically it's 6. If I'm doing it right, it's 6. And I choose to do cardio also because it's helps sustain my deficit, and it's really healthy for you. But I'm also doing more extreme. That's why I'm doing an hour and a half every day. So you don't have to. I think some cardio and some dietary restrictions will get you the results you need in time. But that's what I do. 6 meals a day. The first time I did it, one of the first times I did it, it was intermittent fasting. So I only ate twice a day. Keto, all the above. They all work. Just stick with it and just do what works best for you. And the one you can do the longest will be the one you succeed in. Promise you. So that's what I had for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. That's some more knowledge. Keep on sending those questions. Thanks, guys. Bye.